Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today, after some time, I have for you another tactical pen that I would like to share with you, and we'll be talking about the LAIX. This looks like the alpha symbol, and the model number is B007H. So you can get these in different color variants, so different anodizations, because the material is aluminum. You can get this one in black, in gray, and also in a golden color. So it has a nice robust construction. Special features, of course, are the glass breaker here, the metallic parts here are only the screws, the pocket clip, and the case of the ink filler. So you have a nice screw down cap. You cannot screw it on the back, so if you want you can just slightly push it, but it will fall down eventually, so keep that in mind. Let's see. It writes nicely without slight pressure. Nice milling there. The overall length is 14.6 centimeters. I will show you the size comparison. Let's say with the Pilot G2, and also well known and loved Hinderer Investigator pen. So there you have it. The weight on this pen is 35.2 grams or 1.24 ounces. It's made in China, and the price on this one is around $6, give or take. Depends on where you are buying it and also what promotion is currently on the product. I will leave a link down below. If you like, you can check it out. That was one of the cheapest sites that I could find. So this was the LAIX B007. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.